Hello everybody! Today we would like to introduce analog timers and programmable digital timers to you and explain their difference. The first difference that is clearly visible is the presence of an LCD display in digital timers, which analog timers do not have. The second difference is that digital timers are weekly programs, as you can see, weekly programs, but analog timers are set 24 hours a day. The next difference is that digital timers have a battery backup. You can see it here, battery standby, but analog timers do not. Next difference, analog timer program and set by switch key. You can see switch key, but digital timers set and programmed by these keys and software. The next, analog timers you can direct by this key set and set timer here. Other difference is minimum time can be set 1 minute for digital timers, and for analog timers minimum time can be set is 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes. And finally, the output power of both is equal, that is 16 ohm. Here 16 ohm for analog timers and 16 ohm for digital timers. With digital timers and analog timers can be used for controlling lighting, heater, fans, Christmas light, greenhouse growing lighting, and pump and everything. Okay, my friends, our video is finished. Please you tell us which one of this is better. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much and goodbye.